the only my viewers is Doggy Boy. Thank you so much. My only viewers, Doggy Boy. Na 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 na. Umalis na si si Tito mo boy. Nak nakamotor siya? Nakamotor?
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, bantay. Sabi sa'yo, bantay yung bagay kasi ano yun yung pera.
La 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 what? My temperature here is a super hot. Doggy Boy. It's a very hot. My house is, look at my house. It's a very hot here. It's not cold. It's not cold. It's a very hot. Especially my house is a very small like that. One room. This is my kitchen. So it's a very hot today. It's a summer. Summer ngayon, ano ba today? May, June, July. Here in the Philippines is a very hot. Very hot My head is I have a head. 21 here now. 21 Celsius here now. Here is 40 ang heat dito. I don't know. I don't know. It's a very hot day here Doggy Boy. It's a very hot in the Philippines. Then that is, yes, it's a very hot. It's a very bad. Special kaya I want to going to the province. I'm going to my province because the province is many tree, mountain, they have a fresh air. Here in the Manila, in the city is it's a very bad. bad smell and very noisy. Very noisy. I know. La la la. Bakit ba? Remember that you was yes, remember that guy Big Ed was sweating. Yes, it's a sweating. It's a very sweating. Sweating so much, so funny and fat man. Fat man. Yes, here in the Philippines is the the guy is a very big the very sweating. I like a fat he sound like a girl voice. I like a fat body Doggy Boy, bakos look at me, Dave. Look at me. It's a very small. He sound like a girl voice. Thank you so much, Doggy Boy. Thank you. Ay, naano ko na ba? Napindot ko na ba? Napindot ko na. Wala akong Doggy Boy.